More families may start suing the banks that foreclosed on their homes. New at 10, 12 News' Terry Sater explains it's all thanks to a new court decision.
I think these foreclosures may be steamrolling across the rights of individuals.
Milwaukee attorney Scott Burns says a high court decision on the East Coast Friday could change the way many foreclosures are carried out in Wisconsin.
At a minimum, it's going to result in banks all over the country being forced to really get their ducks in a row before they commence a foreclosure.
He's talking about foreclosures involving those now infamous mortgage securities, where multiple home loans were bundled together and sold.
In a case with Wells Fargo and U.S. Bank acting as trustees, the court essentially said two families had their homes taken away, and the banks couldn't prove they actually owned the mortgages at the time of foreclosure.
So it's clearly a basic right and denial. It's a denial of due process. It's using the law in an improper way.
The banks issued statements. Wells Fargo expects the entities who service these loans to abide by all applicable state laws, including those laws that govern foreclosure sales. And, as trustee, U.S. Bank has no responsibility for the terms of the underlying mortgage, foreclosure procedure, the conduct of the servicer, the process by which the mortgage is transferred to the trust, or the sufficiency of the mortgage documentation. Bethany Sanchez with Milwaukee's Fair Housing Council worries banks could make it even harder for people to buy homes.
I'm concerned that the banks not pull back from their lending because of this kind of ruling.
She says banks need to take a hard look at their foreclosure procedures. In Milwaukee, Terry Sater, WISN 12 News.